guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be swatching some of my favorite Colourpop liquid lipsticks. I love Colourpop, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. Before I begin, I will be applying a very small amount of chapstick to my lips, just to ensure that my lips are moisturized and not dry. You can also exfoliate your lips if you want, to ensure that they won't crack after you put the matte lipstick on. And the chapstick that I'm using in this video is the Peppermint Dr. Bronner's chapstick. It smells great and it feels amazing. You guys, these are like the best makeup wipes ever. If you haven't tried them, I suggest you do because they work wonders, trust me. For the next one, you guys, I would definitely wear a lip liner because it's very bright for my skin tone. Preferably I would wear NYX Club Hopper lip liner. It looks good with this lipstick. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below which lipstick you like the best. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.